Ladies and gentlemen, my name's David Stubbs. I'm the CEO of RightIndem, and I'll start with an apology. I have the easiest job to do this today at Plug and Play, because all I have to do is convince you that the current claims process in whichever vertical or wherever geography we're talking about really sucks. I used to start these presentations by offering money to somebody who could give me an example of a great claims process that they'd had inflicted on them themselves. And I kept my money very, very safe until a lady said she'd had a great travel claim, and so I stopped doing that. But fundamentally, everybody in this room, whether you work for a carrier or a reinsurer, and wherever vertical you're in, or whether just here as a potential insurance client, a claims client, is going to be grateful for the capabilities that RightIndem bring. Because insurance claims do suck. Carriers know this, the clients definitely know it after they've had one. The process is over long, it's over complex, it's over confusing for the clients, and it's over costly, which means it's overdue for change. RightIndem is that change. We are the first end-to-end platform for insurance claims in multiple verticals. This is an auto example. It was our first use case. We've got other examples in marine cargo. We're moving into property, health, crop, aviation, yachting. What we do is we provide a platform to deliver the claims process in a way that links the carrier, their claims ecosystem, and the customer together in a positive way. We've built it based on a detailed understanding of the thoughts, emotions, and behaviors that surround a claims event. And during a claims event, people are typically not behaving at their best. Now, my previous business, I was a claims TPA entrepreneur, which is an interesting way to discover the insurance industry. And my insurance clients, always measured me on these three subjects. So we brought them into RightIndem as our measures. Customer satisfaction, which we place at the top, not necessarily where the clients, the carriers brought it to my attention, but we put it at the top of the tree. The cost of claims administration, the efficiency with which we handle the claim, and then of course the major cost, the cost of making the client whole, the claims indemnity cost. Now, when we set out to build RightIndem, we were fully aware that we could nail customer satisfaction, because we'd seen the airline industry do it. We'd seen multiple other industries, even the utilities, move their clients onto online portals and platforms and away from the telephone. But we naturally were concerned that if we give control of the claim to the customer, what's going to happen to handling efficiency and what's going to happen to indemnity? Well, we shouldn't have been concerned. The results are absolutely extraordinary. We delivered, first of all, a 10 times improvement in the efficiency with which the claim was handled. Handlers were achieving in 5 minutes what on the phone had taken them an hour. We reduced the settlement costs very, very substantially, in this example by 15%, and customer repurchase, the most sincere form of customer satisfaction of all, we increased by over 60%. The only people who suffered here were Google with reduced sales of AdWords. We delivered these. Now, look at this chart and think what these numbers would do to your claims book. Now, to help us achieve this, we've assembled an award-winning team. We are all serial entrepreneurs. We know insurance. We absolutely know insurance claims. And as we move forward into next year, we're going to go beyond simply making the handlers substantially more effective. We're going to start diverting claims around them substantially. Now, as you might expect, making handlers more effective, reducing indemnity cost, and making customers happier, that helps you get some real traction in the insurance industry. We've built great relationships with some very powerful global firms, and we've got increasing numbers of blue chip clients coming to us, asking us to support them in their claims work. And there is yet more to come, not least because we've secured major investment from an insurance company's VC arm. Ladies and gentlemen, that's my 3-minute pitch. Almost honestly, my 3-minute pitch, I'll go 3:10. My elevator pitch is even simpler. RightIndem can make you lemonade. We can bring lemonade-style claims processes to your legacy products, and we can do it within 3 months. Thank you.